Long-lasting battery life means less stress and more freedom. The laptops with the long-lasting battery lives helps engineering students to stay productive from class to lab without reaching for a charger. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing laptops for engineering students that comes with a long-lasting battery life so that they should avoid the charging laptop again and again that disrupts or causes interrupts in their work. So let's jump into the video and see which are those 5 amazing laptops that offers long lasting battery life. For all the laptops, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Lenovo Yoga 7i. Lenovo Yoga 7i is a powerful convertible 2-in-1 laptop which is best suitable for engineering students. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processor offers great performance. The battery life it offers is up to 16 hours. Yes, it offers up to 16 hours of battery life. The Lenovo Yoga 7i is a budget-friendly student-ready laptop offering solid battery life and flexibility. You get up to 16 hours of battery life, fast performance for basic programming, notes and browsing. It's a 2-in-1 laptop. You can use it as a tablet during online classes or practical work. It lacks a dedicated GPU, but it is ideal for first and second year students. Buy this amazing laptop for its more affordable and convertible laptop that comes with a decent battery life. The disappointment with this laptop is it is not for a heavy 3D rendering or graphics animation or a heavy GPU based tasks. It is best suitable for general use. First year engineering students can buy it, and if you want to do any documentation, note taking, this is best suitable for those kinds of students. Links are provided in the description. HP Spectre X360 14 comes with a whopping 17 hours of battery life, and this laptop is best suitable for electronic students and design-based architecture design or animation engineers or engineers who get involved in the game development and all. So it is also good for presentations also. The HP Spectre X360 is a stylish 2-in-1 laptop with a great battery life and responsive OLED touchscreen display. It offers good performance for students working on simulation, circuit design, programming and digital drawing. You can expect around 16 to 17 hours of battery life on a single charge. The convertible feature and stylus make this laptop an extra useful during presentations or quick sketches. Buy this amazing laptop for its beautiful and immersive OLED display. It comes with a 2-in-1 form factor so that you can use it in different modes in different use cases, and it has got decent power. The disappointments here are it gets warm and it has got a fewer number of ports. LG Gram 17 comes with a whopping 18.5 hours of battery life, and this is best suitable for civil engineers, mechanical engineers and computer science engineers and engineering students who does the project heavy projects or runs heavy project in their branches. The LG Gram 17 gives you a huge screen without the weight. Despite being just over 1.3 kg, it is a very lightweight laptop and comes with the biggest 17-inch screen. It delivers nearly 18.5 hours of battery life, which is ideal for full-day lectures or group projects. The large display is perfect for engineering tasks like CAD, spreadsheets, and diagrams. Though it lacks a dedicated GPU, it's still excellent for everyday academic tasks. Buy this amazing laptop for its large screen, ultra lightweight and great battery life, and the disappointments here are no GPU and slight flex in chassis. Dell XPS 13 powered by Snapdragon X Lite comes with up to 19 hours of battery life, and it is best suitable for coding, programming, application development or research. And if you want portability, this one is the best one. This is a sleek ultrabook that lasts nearly 19 hours on a single charge. It runs on Snapdragon X Elite processor, offering fast booting, strong multitasking, and next-gen AI support also. Its ultra-thin and fanless design makes it great for quiet study environments. While some older software may not run natively due to its ARM architecture, most student tools works well with this. Buy this amazing laptop for its very long battery life, lightweight design, and it is future ready. The disappointments here are that some software limitations are there, that is ARM based software will not run on this laptop. Apple MacBook Pro 16 powered by M3 Pro or M3 Max comes with a whopping 22 hours of battery life, and it is best suitable for AI ML engineers, coding heavy engineering branches, design, AutoCAD, and everything you could do on this powerful laptop, like game development is also you can do on this. The MacBook Pro 16 is built for power and stamina. It handles AI, video editing, coding, and simulations with ease. With the new M3 chip, you get lightning fast processing, and multitasking is buttery smooth here. The top battery life is about 22 hours of battery life on a single charge. The screen is gorgeous, and overall the performance is unmatched in its class. Overall, this is a great laptop which comes with great power and long-lasting battery life. Buy this amazing laptop for its longest battery life, powerful chip, and premium display. The disappointments here are it is expensive, and there is a limited Windows app support here. So these are the 5 amazing laptops that comes with a long lasting battery life. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.